got this email from the Afrotainment office. It's from a lady, Ngalai Mandin. So she wrote to us that she needs some help. And as Afrotainment, it's a time to see they are very. And we've got those hearts that are always ready to give and help out. Nothing. I'm gonna like a ShopRite and pick up a few things, you know, just for the family. So she says, Babwa Kilana is conditioning eco right, Ubeni stroke and he has diabetes. He can't really walk at all. His limbs are not working except his right hand. So yeah, man, out here Monday is really wheelchair so presenter wheelchair as Afrotainment as DJ Dira. We love to help people, man. So yeah, let's check it out.